Everybody loves the center of the cinnamon roll. The center of the cinnamon roll. I love saying that. We're gonna make just the centers right now using only 4 ingredients: cinnamon, sugar, butter, and wait for this one, tortilla. In following up with our series of do these TikTok hacks actually work, this one is so simple and it's really pedestrian, but I saw it because my kids were watching one of these videos, and one of the famous YouTubers, you know, I'm still working my way up there, was testing 100 recipes. And the first one he tested was a hack on a cinnamon bun, right? It was supposed to be all kind of cinnamon style. And all they did was they used tortillas, right? So I think this is kind of fun now that we're getting into Cinco de Mayo season. Cinnamon, sugar, and melted butter. That's all this is. They didn't do this in the video, but I'm gonna add my little chefy take on this, is I'm gonna brush the bottom of this oven-safe dish with a little bit of butter. First, we'll set up our cinnamon sugar mix, right? So I'm just gonna do white sugar. I'm gonna do kind of 1-to-1. Generally speaking, if this works, this is where you could have fun. You could add some more spice to this, maybe some dried vanilla, etc. So that's all this is right? A little cinnamon sugar here. So now let's take the tortilla and we're gonna brush this, right? We're gonna soak this with the butter. I got this hot pan here, but we're gonna soak it with the butter, and that's what's gonna allow the cinnamon sugar to stick. The more the merrier, and then we'll just roll it up, right? Let's just go ahead and roll it. Roll it like this, right? We're gonna put these off to the side. So I'm gonna do this a couple times over. I bet if these were really good, throw a little ice cream on there and maybe some fresh berries, you could probably charge, in California, 40 bucks a plate for that. We're gonna trim the ends off, okay? Now we're just gonna cut these into pieces, roughly the same size. And I'm gonna start lining them up in this dish here. Drizzle more butter all over this, okay? Let's get some more butter on here. Now we're gonna do a little more on top here, right? Now I'm just gonna stick this into a 350-degree oven for however long we're gonna need to find out. So I'm thinking probably 10 to 15 minutes. While the cinnamon rolls are finishing, toasting, melting in the oven, I'm gonna make a glaze for this. Actually, it's not a glaze, it's a frosting. What am I thinking? Savory, sweet. This is why I'm not a baker. So I've got whipped cream cheese in a bowl right here. I've got some A2 milk. Now, you can do this with heavy cream or whatever. This is really just to kind of thin it out into glaze format. So I'm just kind of mixing this in together, but then I'm gonna add some sugar, just a little bit of sugar in here. No big deal. Also just a little powdered sugar. I'm gonna mix it. I'm ultimately gonna whisk it. Okay, guys, these are gonna go on the cinnamon rolls. Okay. Yeah, I'm making cinnamon rolls. They're in the oven right now. Okay, there we go. So this is gonna melt on there. I'm gonna whisk this because we wanna get some air in there. We wanna break these pieces down into whipped cream cheese. Just a touch more sugar in there. No big deal, no big deal. Just a little sugar. So look, this is like the consistency of one of those packets of like cinnamon glaze. When I was a kid, we bought those frozen ones because nobody in my family knew how to cook. And I remember it was like the Sara Lee and it came with that packet of the glaze. That's basically what this is, but this is made fresh. So we got the A2 milk in there, a little bit of whipped cream cheese, sugar, that's all, right? You can use honey if you want. For me, if I need things to be really, really sweet, I'll just have Lauren dip her finger in there and that immediately sweetens it up. She's right up there. Woo, 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 woo! Diabetes in a bite. On a serious note, the cream cheese actually adds a richness to this that I think takes the frosting to another level. The frosting. Lauren, how do you like to make your frosting?
Well, I use a little bit of this and that.
Yeah? Well, what's this and that?
I don't know, a little bit of this and that.
I'm gonna add a little butter to this. She is. Lauren is my emotional security blanket. Get some air in there. Now we're talking. That butter actually will add a richness that. Okay, so Lauren, I used the whipped cream cheese as the base and then I added butter. Why is it so much better now? Butter makes everything better. What if she's just full of one-liners? There we go, nice and toasty. Oh yeah, these are all fully toasty. So while they're hot, we're gonna smother these with frosting. So bring this to the party. That frosting actually sticks to them. That's pretty cool. Gets in the nooks and crannies. Put that off to the side. Give this a little powdered sugar finish. Guys, it smells like Cinnabon in here. Grab the one right in the center. Look at that. You know the inside of the cinnamon roll, after you've unraveled the entire cinnamon roll and you have just the inside? That's what these are. These are like 40 little mini insides. Yeah, hold on, bud. I'm trying this. Do you want to try it? William, come try it. What do you think?
Tastes like a cinnamon.
Tastes like a cinnamon roll? I was trying to, there you go. Well, okay, whoa. They're going wild on these little cinnamon bites. All right, you want to try one, Maverick? Give it a go. Tell me what you guys think. Rate them 10 out of 10. What do you think? Hot. Is that like hot like kid lingo or it's literally hot? All right, I'm gonna try one. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Lauren, you may have done this your whole life, but for me, it's on a...
Hey, Dad, can I have a cup?
What do you guys think? Want another one? There we go. What?
Oh, there's also real buddies.
Guys, I think they like them. Watch out, it's a little hot, okay? But there you go, just grab that one. Oh, you got gloves on, you're good. James, you want one, buddy?
I'm gonna steal this one.
Even my bow. You want another one, buddy? They're rich. These are rich. I'm telling you, I know it's pedestrian, it's simple, it works.